Okay, boy, we are just going through this, and that's good. That way I'll free up my time because I've got a lot of postings to do tomorrow on Moodle. All right, so now this is going to be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 10th. Okay, this is the 10th, so we got 5 more to do, and that'll be done. Okay, so the first one, was the assets and expenses, and then we have the sales forecast, and then we have a chart. In the assets and the expenses, we have 3 charts, so that's 3 items. Sales forecast, there are 2 items, that's 5. And then with competitors forecast, there are 2 items, that's 7. And we did the employee database just now, and the pivot table, so that's 10. This is the 11th. Okay, this is called the Vlookup table. And what it is I already copied it. So let me paste. No, I already copied it. Hold on a minute. I'm going to find it. Where the heck is it at? Here it is. Okay, here it is. And so what I'll do here is just delete this. Okay. So this particular table, you will actually copy that from the test. The test is going to have all of this information. Okay. So now just pay attention to the product description. So I changed this to fit my product descriptions. I did not have any hats, so I'm going to change that to jeans. Because remember, I didn't have hats in there. Change that to jeans. I didn't have any jackets. I had dresses. I didn't have any sweaters. I had tops. And then I didn't have that. I had leggings. And I had bags. And I have jeans, leggings. What else did I have? Dresses. Okay, dresses. Okay. Okay, now this is what a pivot table is. So what is it for? If you have an inventory in real business, if you have an inventory and you just want to find out, okay, the product description, okay, based on, let's say, the code, based on the code, or you can base it on the amount, okay? But in this particular VLOOKUP table, you'll see that the product description is blank. The product code is there. So every inventory item has got a product code, okay? And then all of this ancillary information will just leave there. And then the second table down here, you'll see the product code is here. There's a product color, okay? And there's a product description and the active status and the last order. Okay, so we'll just leave all of those information there. The important information will be the product code and the product description. So here, let's just say you have 1,000 inventory items and you want to find out what the product description is based on the product code. You already have a table here, but it's missing the product description. And so you have another table down here, and your boss tells you, okay, I want to get the product code to match the product description. So instead of going line by line with a ruler and typing it and looking for this product code on the second table, you can use a VLOOKUP formula, okay, a VLOOKUP function. All right, to do that, we're going to go up here. And we're going to go to formulas. Okay? And we're going to go to, let's see, right here, insert function. And we're going to look for VLOOKUP table, which is right there. And we're going to hit go. Okay, it didn't bring it up, so we're going to type it up. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. I tell you, I'm just about had it with daggum laptop, I tell you. VLOOK KUP. And then we'll hit go. And then we'll click OK down here. And this is where we just fill in the blanks. Okay? Now, looking at this function arguments table or window, the lookup value would be the product code, because that's what we want Excel to look at that table below to give us the product code, correct? And then we're going to go to the table array, the next line. The table array would be the second table. It's the entire thing. So you have to highlight the entire thing. And then we're going to add the F4 to add the absolute cell references. Okay? You're going to do F4 to add the absolute cell references. And right here, it's asking for the number of the column wherein you want the answer that it's looking for. You're looking for the product descript. So you go down here and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So which number column do you think you need? It's this. That is number 3. Okay? And on the last line, you always type the word false, F-A-L-S-E. And then you're going to click on OK. And there you have it, your jeans. And we're going to copy that down here, and then we're going to check. Jeans, is that 89632? Yes. Leggings, is that 554? Yes, it is. And there is your VLOOKUP table. Now, on the VLOOKUP table, you do not format it. You just leave it as is. All right? All right, then. So I will end this session.